The Milestone ONVIF Bridge helps organizations share video with external agencies. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to configure an ONVIF bridge in the management client. We've created an ONVIF server that is pointing to the XProtect management server on this machine. Now, let's add an ONVIF server to the system. In this example, we've already selected ONVIF Bridges in the Site Navigation pane. In the ONVIF Bridges pane, we right-click ONVIF Bridges. Click Add New. Let's name the ONVIF bridge and click OK. The ports are filled in automatically with default values, but you can change the values. We enter the username and password and click Add User. You just saw how to configure an ONVIF bridge in the management client. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.